Hi, my name is Abby Ramirez.
I'm Luke Heilman.
My name is Luke Sandage, and I'm a junior at RHS.
We are RHS Robotics, and our robot's name is the Blender. Richardson High School is a magnet school, meaning that they have specialty programs that no other high schools in the district have, and that kids from outside the zoned school area can come and be a part of those programs.
Where we teach them machine shop orientation. We have 3D printers. We also do AutoCAD. So the students are learning pre-engineering and machine shop orientation. We have mills, we have lathes, we have shears, plasma cutter, welders. We have almost all the equipment that you would need to properly build a BattleBot.
The program is absolutely wonderful. I enjoy it. It's the highlight of my day, just coming into the machine shop, making something quite therapeutic, just working on something.
Our robot is called the Blender, which is an homage to the RHS Robotics robot that won BattleBots back in 2009. And so a large part of our design philosophy comes from that original robot, where we have a full body spinner with 3 different shells that can go on top of it. One of them has teeth around the side, and the other one is a bar spinner, and those are very similar to what were on the original Blender. But the thing that we've decided to add is a spinning dome. And this dome is going to be kind of a surprise. Nobody's going to see it coming because nobody's ever seen it done before. It's going to have multiple different kinds of teeth that we can put on the side to add a little bit of defense to our mostly offensive shell. But this is going to be something new and exciting, and it's going to be bright green, and so that's always fun.
And they all bring different skill sets to our team.
So I specialize in the machining and the actual making of the robot. I take the designs and concept and make actual pieces that we put together out of them.
So I was mostly digital so far, which means I did a lot of the 3D rendition of the robot and worked on a lot of the online planning.
My specialization in the robot is mainly electronics and battery systems. So I made the wiring diagram, and I calculated to all the voltages and specific wiring for all the components, and I'm gonna solder up a battery.
Abby is an amazing, wonderful person. She's one of the sweetest people I know. She's so smart. She comes up with a lot of great ideas, and she's really good at throwing new things out there and just making us all think.
Luke Heilman is he's almost kind of a little bit the glue that holds us together. When we're getting super stressed out or have a really big deadline coming up, Luke's always the one over there smiling and laughing and still cracking jokes and making sure that we don't get too down on ourselves just because we're falling a little bit behind. He's probably the nerdiest out of the 3 of us. He has built multiple of his own computers, and he also builds and flies drones in his free time, which is super freaking cool. He was really into art for a while, and now he's a part of the robotics magnet, and he was also a swimmer. So he does everything across the board.
Sandage is an amazing person. He loves metal, and he's really good with machines. And I think that there's no one like him in the world because he's an amazing person. I wouldn't say happy-go-lucky, but he's very happy. He jokes around a lot in very funny ways, and he's got a particular sense of humor that no one really has. And he's just all around a nice person and pretty awesome. Yeah.
I have every confidence that they have what it's going to take to do. So I'm proud of them.